So the boys just got back from doing yard work with this gentleman that loves to bless their socks off. And today they were paid in a very unique way. So I'm going to have you go ahead and turn around a little bit. So they were gifted with these little guys with their names on them, with little zipper pouches, and they're very heavy. The boys have no idea what are inside of the possums. And what were you told?
Told that he caught these a couple days ago, and that they're delicious to eat, and that we have to wait to skin them till we get home.
Okay, guys, if you ever want to make sure that your teenagers are going to work their tails off for you, find creative ways to pay them for jobs well done. Is this not the coolest thing in the universe? Okay, this is really, really fun. Man, he is awesome. Thought you guys would enjoy that. Have a good day.